this is me Pia and I am back with another trending topic today, and that is SOP, Statement of Purpose. Many students who are aiming for higher studies abroad do not even know why their student visa or admission in the university gets rejected. The main reason behind this rejection is a bad SOP. So guys, today in this video I shall be talking about what basically is SOP, and if you're planning to take up the computer science course abroad, what your statement of purpose must include. But before that, first let's understand what is statement of purpose. SOP refers to the personal statement about who the student is, what influences the career path, and what are his or her professional interests. It clearly indicates the student's background and their future plans. The ideal length of SOP is 2 to 3 A4 size sheets. Coming to the most challenging part, that is how to write SOP or what your statement of purpose must include. Before you start writing your SOP, you should be clear in your mind of the course you are opting. Likewise, you have chosen computer science course. So the statement of purpose should be more focused on research interest of students, as the programs are more research oriented. Now here are a few points that you need to remember. First, it is important to note that no matter in what number of universities you are sending your application, your SOP should be in accordance to the university guidelines. Second, the primary question which needs to be answered while writing a statement of purpose is, what does the essay reflect about the person who wrote it? So now this has to be very clear, like if you're writing your SOP, so your essay would be reflecting about you, what you are writing and what you basically are. Third, statement of purpose can make or break the application. So don't try to be something you are not. So now you have to be honest in such a case. So now here's a sample of the statement of purpose. Start with a short bio describing how you are an extraordinary student. Talk about your interests and achievements if you have any. Second, write about the university's Department of Computer Science. Third, how opportunities offered by the department will help you in future. Fourth, why are you an ideal student for this department. Fifth, discuss career goals, why you want to do research and areas of research, skills or qualification. Sixth, description of any original research done, result, importance and contribution by the student. So now you need to mention all these things step by step in your SOP, and remember, if you mention all these things step by step in your SOP, do not forget you are going to crack it. Yes, you are going to crack it. Now moving on to the seventh point, talk about any specific research plan if you have. Next, name of faculty the student is interested in working with. It is recommended to use examples rather than vague statements. SOP is also a way of demonstrating your command over the English language. I hope this video would have helped you in understanding all about statement of purpose. In case you are facing any kind of difficulty in writing your SOP, you can seek our help, as we at Q-On Overseas have a team of experts who will guide you at every step in writing the remarkable statement of purpose. So guys, that's all for today. I shall be back with more such topics, but you don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button if you found this video informative and helpful. Bye.